everyone, and this is yet another video of ours, mentorship success story coming all the way from someone who's been training in the market for some time. I'm very happy to have Vikash. Vikash, hello, and thank you for doing this video. Happy Holi to you. We are doing this video on a holiday. Vikash, tell us a little bit about yourself. अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताइए.
Sir, I'm a lawyer practicing in Mumbai. I'm with a very good builder in Mumbai, and I have been practicing. I have been in trading. I was introduced by my brother in 2004 or thereabout. In 2015-16, I took some sort of training from a local, so-called mentorship program. But
Okay.
it was limited to the introducing of candlestick patterns and all. There
All
was
right.
no, training, this kind of training on modified indicators.
Acha.
It was haphazard journey only
जी.
until I decided to join this NSC program, and thereafter I got introduced with you. And
अच्छा.
now we have come into mentorship. And I can say that it is marked difference. And
Thank you.
see where, if you see my Excel sheet, in October, November, I was taking trades up to 52 trades. October,
Okay.
November 18 only. And out of 52, I was making only 31,000.
Okay.
In December, I have made 21,000 out of 31 trades.
Okay.
And in January, I have been in minus 13,000 out of 35 trades.
Okay.
This is the data that I have collected so far. And the
Yes.
previous data, wherever I have suffered losses, that I have just hidden, I have forgotten that. So
Okay.
there's no point in remembering those data because I have
जी.
always been in losses. In mid-January somewhere, I joined you, and within a week, I saw all videos shared by you, and it clicked like I made in January my trades were January 35 trades minus 13. Then in February it made the difference. February 21 trades and 71,000 profit.
आपका सौदा आधा हो गया. Number of trades काफी कम हो गए.
Number of trades reduced. While means I was learning, I was not that confident in February also, but
बिल्कुल.
still means hook and this one aim and shoot strategies worked very well. And thereafter in March I have 10 wins out of 12.
Okay.
So trades are 12 only, and I am able to find means which are the trades which are going to take time or which are not, means
Correct.
like to work in my direction.
Correct.
So
Correct.
in March the difference is 10 upon 12. So 12
Okay.
trades I have taken, 2 have gone against me, but they were whichever have gone against me, they were like, I was knowing that they will go against me. I
All
had
right.
impulsively taken them, and so far I have made 40,000 around, and the success percentage is 83%.
83%. So
And
very kind कि आपने आपका ये Excel sheet मेरे साथ share किया है. I would like to show everyone the numbers that you spoke of right now. The
yes, sir.
marked difference between the sheet of March and the sheet of October, you
Yes,
will
sir.
see the number of trades.
Yes, sir.
Number of trades were in the 50s in October, and हम
Yes,
लोग
sir.
आज मार्च के 21 तारीख पे है. Your number of trades
Yes.
is 12.
12. Yes, sir.
This is one thing I would repeat again. I'll take this opportunity ये repeat करने के लिए, that whenever someone calls me and asks me about the mentorship, मैं उनको and they ask me कि पैसा बनेगा ना सर, कितना बनेगा, कब तक बनेगा? So I say that I don't know, but मैं आपको एक चीज बोल सकता हूँ that your number of trades will come down, and that is the
Yes.
first sign कि you are not only confident, but it's a sign that you're waiting patiently for the right opportunity to hit into the market.
Very true,
So
sir.
ज़्यादा इधर उधर हाथ पैर मारने का जरूरत ही नहीं है. You don't need to trade more. You need to trade less, but you need to trade very concrete. So this is an example. Your sheet is a true example of what I believe in. And Feb, you have made around 71,000 with 21 trades.
Yes, sir.
And you've been very kind that you have also shared screenshots of your broker screen. Your broker
Yes,
is Prabhudas Leeladhar. I think this is a Bombay-based broker.
yes, sir.
And so these are all true, real trades done by a real person with real knowledge about the market. And the results are right in front of us. March, only 12 trades. And
Yes, sir.
the good thing that you said sometime back कि जो आपका गलत हुआ था, the trades which went wrong, you knew very well that it is going wrong. It is going to go wrong.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is another sign that I have faced, realized, and I share that जब एक सौदा चलना होता है ना, you immediately know बस ये तो चलेगा. Means
Correct, sir.
after doing it for multiple times, it gets into your pulse. You get a gut feeling about it that this is that trade. और जिसको चलना नहीं है वो नहीं चलता है.
Precisely,
So this
sir.
also comes, this will happen when we practice the same setup over and over again.
Yes, sir.
So आपका main strategy कौन सा था? Hook और aim and shoot था?
Sir, I'm just practicing these two strategies as you have already taught us that all are variants of this. So I'm just
Yes.
trying my hands on this only.
जी.
And I'm not too much trying on shorting right now. The market conditions are not that of shorting environment is not there. So even though I come to know that somebody is shorting LNT and someone is shorting UPL, and I learned also that they have burnt their hands in some cases.
Right.
So
Right.
I am just trying to avoid because the market conditions are not allowing that. When they are settled, okay, they are going down like in 2008 and all, then I will for sure sort. Like right now I'm not sorting. So
That's
I'm
okay.
going with the trend. और एक तो ट्रेड मिल ही जाता है सर जो एम एन शूट में फिट होता है.
जी 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 जी.
I try to identify that trade only कि मतलब and more particularly I'm my confidence has gone so much up that for the first time in life I have taken futures.
Wow, ये कब हुआ?
I'm the futures of Hero yesterday I took. So
Alright.
Hero all indicators were saying this is like there's no divergence so far, but I have just preempted. I'm
Preempting it.
looking forward that expiry is coming soon, so
Right.
probably that will work.
Okay,
So
एक
that
चीज मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर देता हूँ.
yes, sir.
Whenever I used to trade earlier, and every one of us who trades the futures and options market, generally we start with one lot. Generally,
Yes, sir.
आपका पहला ट्रेड एक लॉट ही होगा. I
Yes, sir.
can
I
make
can.
it. हाँ.
Yeah.
ये काफी बार रिपीट होता है. It is a very common thing, not only with me, with many people I have met and mentored.
Yeah.
When we trade with one lot, everything goes well. धीरे धीरे, okay?
Okay.
एक हफ्ता,
Yeah.
एक महीना, one quarter. You're trading with one lot, 10, 15,000 here and there will come and go.
Yes.
And you reach a stage, all of a sudden you say that, okay, I'm doing really good. Let's double my quantity to 2 lots or 4 lots, whatever, 3 lots. 4 lots.
Yes, sir.
And bang, वहीं पे आपका एक दो सौदा गलत जाता है. And जो आपने 2-3 महीने में कमाया, वो 2-3 सौदा खा के निकल जाता है.
Correct.
Okay?
Correct. Yeah.
This is a very, very common trade. It has got nothing to do with the market.
Yes.
Technical से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. Strategies से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. It is purely psychological. Because
Yes,
जब
yes.
हम डबल क्वांटिटी करते थे, अपना डर थोड़ा ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है. The fear.
Yeah, I understand, sir. Yeah.
Right. So because you said कि आपने अभी पहली बार futures में trade करना start किया है, it has
Yes,
happened because you have found yourself a little more consistent,
Yes.
comfortable,
Correct.
confident, and आपने jump किया from the cash market and now you would like to trade in the futures market. It's a good step, but अगर आपका initial कुछ trades गलत होता है, you
Yeah.
keep on moving ahead. Just don't stop. ठीक है?
Correct.
So it's a very, very psychological trait that greed leads you to take a higher quantity, and the higher quantity will lead to a little bit of fear. और अगर वो
Yeah.
गलत गया, then वो fear आपको फिर पीछे 2-3 महीना पीछे लेके चला जाता है.
True,
ठीक
sir.
है?
True,
So
sir.
take
Yeah.
steps slowly, step by step.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
See,
Now,
if you see in this Excel, only 1 second, sir. In this
yes,
Excel sheet also, if you see this my March sheet, there is a
yes,
Reliance Capital trade somewhere on
yes.
yeah, that I have exited early due to stress only.
Yes. Exited early due to stress. Yes,
Had I waited for some time, it had
yes.
gone in my direction only. So which is
Uh-huh.
that is what you are saying, that I am also agreeing with that. And
Correct,
because of stress, many times you lose trades and all.
correct, correct. It happens. So, you are an advocate, you said,
Yes, sir. I am advocate. Yeah.
and you practice full time.
Yes, sir. Full time practice in the sense I am a retainer advocate with a very good builder in
Retainer.
Mumbai.
And
Yeah.
from which city, sir, are you from?
Mumbai only, sir.
Amki, Mumbai. Which part of Mumbai?
Mumbai. I am residing in Kalyan, but however, I have to travel to Andheri for the purpose of my work.
Okay, Kalyan. Whenever I find someone from the city, I become a little more. I bring in little more questions. 10 साल रहा हूँ ना वहाँ पे, तो इसीलिए it feels like a
I know
second.
that, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Great. Quickly, others who are listening to this video,
Yes, sir.
they are probably trading. They are looking at themselves that they want to become a trader like you, either actively or passively, full time, या फिर part time.
Yes, sir.
Looking at your own history, looking at your path from where you started, and now that you're confident and you've taken your first FNO trade,
Yes, sir.
what will be your biggest suggestion to them?
Sir, first of all, I would say to find out right mentor. Otherwise, there are a lot of mentors in Mumbai and in the
मैंने
world.
आपको ये बोलने के लिए नहीं बताया था, okay?
No. Unless they go for, see, as you rightly have taught us that you know what is very much visible, that doesn't work in the market. So all standard indicators and oscillators which are there in the market, and everybody knows about that. Like you say, 50-day moving average and 100-day moving. Don't see what others are seeing. Unless it is modified, it will not work. That is for sure.
Right.
So if it is not working, then means I really don't know means how much somebody will lose.
Okay, so point number 1, ले लेते that don't use what the entire street is using. Number 1.
Sorry.
So number 1 point we can take out is do not use or implement the standard indicators, the standard way what entire street is using. What others are using, don't do that. You find and
Yes,
create
sir.
your own way. And
Correct,
you should have a
correct.
mentor who will show you how to do that. Okay,
Precisely,
anything
sir.
else? Number 2?
Number 2 is like even after learning, say for example, somebody is joining with our mentorship program, then also don't be in a hurry to implement all the strategies altogether.
Correct.
See, I have seen in our Telegram this one channel that people are means joining yesterday and today trying means like spike. They want googly, they want everything today only. It will not go with one strategy and
Correct.
give it time. Give it time. Unless you
Yes.
are giving time, I can do aim and shoot even at any time with
Right.
with the help of divergences and again of those people who are office goers and all, they are not
Yes.
required to watch their screen every time.
Very
If
good.
they
Good point.
if they put their trade like identify the divergence bar,
Yes.
sell below or buy above and below stop loss, and give same same amount of target in the system. They are not
Right.
required. They have to check their account only. They are not required to watch the screen every time.
Correct.
So
Correct.
that is what one biggest advantage that I can see.
Very good. Means अगर आप passively trade कर रहे हो, if you have a job or some kind of a work business, then you need not look at the price on a minute to minute basis. उससे आपका agitation या आपका psychological aspect about the trades will affect. So place the
Yes.
orders. You can track it a little bit on your phone or on your tablet. You can call up the broker and check the price. But once you've got the DB, which we call the divergence bar, you can know your entry point, stop loss, and go with the trade. And
You can set POA.
POA, the point of action. And another thing that you started off saying was very important, that you cannot digest the entire thing in day one. So जैसे मैं बताता हूँ that the mentorship strategies are variations of the swing trading strategy. आप एक को पकड़िए या एक या दो को पकड़िए, depending on your style, on your risk capital, on your time that you can allocate in the market. Pick up a strategy and do 50, 100 trades on that particular one, and slowly you'll get a grip on it. Very
Yes.
good, very good.
Yes.
Anything else? Any last point that you would like to?
Initially, I would suggest my fellow traders not to try to go against the trend.
Okay, yes.
They are too much trying. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
That expertise level comes, you do it. That's fine. But
Correct.
right now, yesterday you have joined, and today you want to go against the trend and you want to short UPL. Then just I think you should think over again.
Yes, yes. So this is one valid point, that why I tend to say that I prefer swing trades more than contra trades, because swing trades may we have the benefit of the trend with us. So aim and shoot, hide and seek, these kind of strategies are better off than a hook. The
Yes, sir.
problem with contra moves are, the contra are when they go right quickly, but they
Yes.
go right lesser number of times.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
that's why we had the hook strategy, where we got some trades recently in stocks like Larsen and Tupro and etc. All
Yeah.
right,
Yes, sir.
great. That's really good. Anything else, sir, before we conclude our interaction? कुछ मेरे लिए
That,
बताइए. How can I improve myself? Please, मुझे बताइए. How can I improve as a mentor?
sir,
How can I?
you are on top of it, and I don't think I am capable enough and learned enough that I can suggest anything to you. You are up to mark, I will say.
Anytime if you feel like there is something that you want to suggest to me so that I can improve what I'm doing, please feel free to do that. And also others who are listening to this video, I use this opportunity. If you want to give me a feedback, suggest something, please feel free to do that. I will look into it, and if I'm up to it, I will definitely implement it.
Yeah, that's
Right,
yes.
sir? All right, so then we'll conclude our interaction. It was great having you. Thank you. Yet another
Thank you.
mentorship success story from Mr. Vikash Tiwari. He's an advocate. He's been trading well. Few key pointers is, once you are confident, consistent, your number of trades come down, your profitability goes up. You're far more in grip of the market, and it's not that the market is moving you. You are in shape and you are in control of your trades. It's the first sign that you're doing good. The money is the outcome. It will eventually come. So keep your systems clean, stick to one or two set setups and trade them as many number of times. And sooner or later, you will find the returns coming in. Right, sir?
That's true, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. And happy Holi again to you too. You joined us
Wish
early
you-
morning today to share your thoughts. Thanks a lot. And I'm happy that you're a part of our mentorship community. Thank you, sir.
That's
God
great,
bless.
sir. Thank you.
Trade
Bye-bye.
well, trade well.